Most people get this wrong. They assume all cloud hosting providers are the same, but UpCloud offers performance and reliability features that make it stand out, especially for developers and businesses that need fast, scalable hosting. Here's my full experience. UpCloud offers cloud servers with high-performance storage called Max IOPS, which delivers extremely fast read/write speeds. One surprising thing I noticed is their uptime. UpCloud promises 99.99% uptime, and in my testing, servers remain stable even during traffic spikes. Setting up a server is straightforward. You can deploy a cloud server in minutes, choose your operating system, and select add-ons like firewalls and backups. The interface is clean and user-friendly, and API access allows automation, which is a big plus for developers. Pricing is competitive, especially considering the performance. You pay for the resources you use, so it's flexible if you need to scale up or down. The platform also supports multiple data center locations, which is useful for reducing latency and targeting specific regions. Some downsides: if you are completely new to cloud hosting, the platform might feel a bit technical compared to fully managed hosts. While they offer support, you'll need some familiarity with server management to get the most out of UpCloud. In conclusion, UpCloud is an excellent hosting solution for developers, startups, and businesses looking for fast, reliable, and scalable cloud servers. Its combination of performance, uptime, and flexibility makes it worth considering for serious projects. Subscribe for more honest reviews of web hosting platforms and cloud services.